If you're looking for an affordable way to fix a missing tooth or even create a full denture at home, the Denture Material Kit for Repair Missing Teeth, or DIY Full Denture Fake Teeth, has been getting attention. Sold for around $39.99 per kit, this product is designed to help people improve their smile from the comfort of home. But is it worth it? Let's break down the features, customer feedback, and whether it lives up to expectations. What is the Denture Material Kit? This DIY denture kit by Healthier is meant for personal use in creating partial or full dentures. It's often used with mold plaster to form replacement teeth and can also serve educational purposes for dental practice. The kit features flexible, gum-like material and fake teeth that mimic the look of real teeth, aiming to restore your smile at a lower cost. The denture material boasts anti-whitening, anti-deformation, and anti-microcrack properties, offering durability for everyday use. One of the selling points is that the materials are reusable and can be adjusted multiple times to achieve a better fit. What do customers think? With a rating of 2.8 out of 5 stars based on 73 reviews on Amazon, customer feedback is clearly mixed. Pros: some users found it helpful for temporary fixes. Few reviewers praised the product for allowing them to experiment with making their own dentures. It's seen as a budget-friendly option for short-term use. Cons: many customers say it's difficult to use and lacks clear instructions. Several mentioned that the material doesn't mold well or stay in place. Some called it a waste of money due to poor fit and uncomfortable feel. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? The Denture Material Kit for repairing missing teeth may work for a temporary smile, fix, or a low-cost DIY solution, but expectations should be realistic. It's not a professional dental product and may not provide the same results you'd get from a licensed dentist. With a low customer rating and recurring complaints about ease of use, it's important to read all reviews carefully before buying.